So let's say you have all this color grading process that you did in your project and you want to save for future projects. Very easy. Let me show you how you can do that. You're gonna go here in gallery. I'm in media pool at the moment. As I press gallery, it's gonna open this tab settings over here. If you click, you're gonna be able to see that too. If you don't have open, still albums. Okay, you can create new ones, add new still albums. In my case, I'm gonna use on my power grade number 1, because here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different grades that I save for my videos and projects. In case I want to have a nice solid start, I just click there. One thing that we need to do is double click on your video. You see grab still, but on DaVinci Resolve 18, when you grab the still, it's not just that frame. You save everything that you apply in that frame as well. So let's click here. Boom, you see that we have this frame over here. And then if I click down here, I can put Dr. Color. You saw here that I pressed twice, apply the effect, Command Z, reset all the grades. And now when I go to my gallery, I have this preset already. Double click. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, straight to the point.